Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Taiba Simple Life. So guys, today I decided to do my voiceover in English. So let's start the video. Today I'm making a simple and tasty food. It is white rice and chana dal. And this recipe is easy to make and perfect for lunch and dinner. First I cook the chana dal with simple spices. Then I make a delicious tadka to give it more flavors. And I also make soft and fluffy white rice. The smell is so good and the taste is amazing, delicious guys. And guys, if you like simple homemade recipe, so you should try this recipe. And tell me in the comments, do you like this chana dal with rice? And guys, please support my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, because even a little support from you motivate me. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.